Finally, after 10 freaking years, I am upgrading my PC, and here we go. Well, I'm gonna show you all the boxes here, but yeah, it is empty. I won't be unboxing this because there's nothing at all to show you because I have built PC in shop. Alright, there was a guy who's very good on building PC, so he set that up for me, and I was like happy. Okay, yeah, he saved my headache. Well, I don't need to touch any cables or do anything, so he did everything. Well, so let's start with box what I have used here. Well, this is Thermaltake GF750W, fully modular and ultra quiet. So I chose this because it was gold rated, and yeah, it is also cheaper than other PSU out there. Well, next year we have is RTX 5070 by Gigabyte, overclock edition with 12 gig VRAM. So yeah, we'll be playing a lot of games on this, and also some rendering works will go with this graphics card. So yeah. Well, next year we have a motherboard by Gigabyte B650 M H. So this is AMD Ryzen supported AM5 motherboard. You cannot plug Intel in this bad boy because it only support AM5 chips or yeah, Ryzen chips. And this is why I chose this one, because this is budget friendly on my list. So yeah. Well, next we have AIO cooler. Probably not AI cooler, but it's golden filled. It's like Chinese, I guess. This TJ240 model here, and yeah, this will work with Intel and AMD both. But yeah, this is what seller recommend me. Finally, we have used processor as 7800X3D by AMD Ryzen 7, and on RAM we have used Ripjaws M5 by G-Skill. Here is my old rig. You can see that this is very bad, in bad condition. Yeah, it have like i5 with 1050 Ti on it and SSD NVMe as well. And now we are going to replace this with new rig. Alright, so let's unbox this. But yeah, this is very heavy because I don't know why, because it have like casing and RTX stuff going on, you know. But this PC was pretty heavier than my old PC, and I literally need to use my leg to pull this PC. You can see in the video. Yeah, it sounds funny, but this is really heavy. Still, this is my PC here, and this is a tempered glass. I'm gonna use for this as well. So there we go. This is how it looks like. So yeah, let's build this. There you go. So there you go, we have a Thermaltake PSU, and this is RTX 5070 and NVMe Kingston 1 TV. This is gold-filled AI cooler, and it's fan there and motherboard there. We also have RAM sticks on 32 gig, and this is overall how my casing look right now. So you guys can decide if this look cool or not. Well, this is how it look like from front. It have like high texture here. Yeah, this is for 3 fans. It gonna blow some air from here. So yeah, so let's unbox the monitor right now. So for monitor, I have used here Koorui G2511P. This is 1080 full HD resolution and 200Hz. So yeah, let's unbox this. There you go, we have empty of the box. We have this phone. So here we have, I think this is a stand. It's pretty sturdy and premium as well. And this one here, I think it's not a stand, you know, like to put this at base, maybe dome. We have HDMI. I think they didn't put any DP port. They use a manual, and this is the power cord of the monitor. It's gigantic. So let me open this up. And we have a monitor here. Oops, sorry. So there you go. This is the monitor itself. I thought it was scratched, but it wasn't. All right, so let's check the back panel here. So on the back we have one HDMI 2 and then DP. For that you also have this audio. I guess that is a speaker because it have an audio port. You can see that, and here is a spec. So this is G2511P. So we're going to set up the base layer of this monitor. So first we need this one. And yeah, it just automatically attached. I'm gonna put this monitor on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let me put this one here. Alright, so in back of this monitor we have this, and we need to insert according to that clamp. So you need to insert this clamp, I guess. I'm still not sure, but I'm gonna break this monitor, by the way. Well, there we go. We have inserted, but it sounds like fucking turbo. Oh well, I have no idea if I can tilt the viewing angle, but this is not able to tilt, I think. Well, I will let you know if this is tiltable. For now, this is going complete down. See that? It's going, it's hitting like complete down. This is not what I wanted. I want a good viewing angle, not this way. So wait a minute. So it's strange that I found something. So you can tilt this thing. You can see that. So if you want monitor like that, you need to do this. If you want tilt like that I have done, you need to, you know, pull this in. So I'm just going to do this. All right. So there you go. This is what I wanted. So if I wanted to, still I can tilt this by just bending this monitor here and there. And you guys can see that it's working completely fine. So I want this. There you go. It's that simple. So yeah, so this is a Koorui monitor, and now I'm going to plug this in on my computer. So let's get started. So this is my old rig. So this is Samsung monitor. I think it's probably like 20 years old, this monitor right here. I will still use this as a dual monitor just to see some, you know, like the old thing. And this one here is my Dell G3. You can see that model there. And yeah, we have a silver play button as well. And so yeah, so I'm just going to replace this, and I'm just going to show you the setup. All right. So this is it. This is my new look to this computer. So I have plug-in as for normal right now, and here it is. So this is power button. I've connected my USB here, actually the wireless keyboard, and this one is my headphone or IEM. Now there we go. That's how it looks like inside, and this is the monitor. Well, I don't know if it is not turning on, but there you go. It's showing us the gigabyte, and yeah, it's so quick. I don't even notice. It's like maybe 5 seconds, I guess. And we have boot up the Windows 10. Windows 11. So here we can also change the colors if you wanted to. You can see that we have red. So let me turn off the lights here so you can see that. Alright, so let me change the lights. So you can see Hive here, and inside this PC, the lights here is in that cooler and RAM sticks, and of course this cooler as well. So yeah, this is it, guys. So if you wanted to see some you know, like a game test, I can make that as well, but you can see the ideal temperature here on the hardware monitor. I will show you. So this is the idle state, so you can see the temperature of the AMD Ryzen here is 42 to 55 degrees Celsius, which I guess it is normal. And this one here is NVIDIA now RTX 5070, and you can pretty much see it's 37 to 38 in ideal. So we need to keep playing video games and test this, so we can know the actual FPS and temperature stuff, everything. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my PC build video after a long time, and yeah, see you guys in next video. Peace.